Let's DIY a fun carrot gnome for Easter using supplies from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start with some of the foam from the Dollar Tree. It's just a rectangular shape of the white foam that I got in their greenery supplies at the Dollar Tree. I am just going to cut it into the shape of a long triangle like a gnome hat, which is also going to be our carrot, right? I'm using one of those foam noodle cutters from the Dollar Tree. They work really good with cutting the foam. Now for the carrot itself, I want it to be orange, so I'm going to cover it with some orange felt. You can use the rolled felt. I got a big roll of it the other day and all different colors at Dollar Tree. I was really excited to find that, but this was one of the little multi-packs. I just wrap it around the triangular shape there, hot gluing it to the back. The foam doesn't particularly like the hot glue, but if you're adamant, you can get it to stick on there. For the second side, I decided to help it out by adding a little bit of masking tape to glue the felt to, and that always works better for me with foam. And I wrap that around here too, making sure the entire carrot is covered with the orange foam. Really easy, and it's nice and lightweight. And now let's try to make it look like a carrot. I did notice that the very tip you could see some of the foam, so I used a little piece of the orange felt that I had left over to cover that up. For the greenery, I found this greenery at the Dollar Tree that I think looks really great for the top of a carrot. This is also going to be the gnome beard, so it's going to be like an upside down carrot. And so I just use the foam and stick the florals in, so it serves two purposes there to make it look like the top of a carrot plant. I stagger them a little bit just to make it look fuller, and I'd cut them all down into individual pieces to make it easier to work with. Now for the gnome nose, I'm just going to use a wood bead. You could really use anything that's round, even a pom-pom for that. I'm going to attach it with a little bit of hot glue here to the greenery, a little bit easier than gluing it to the foam. For the brim of the hat, I wanted something that looked like grass or greenery. I found some of this green mesh ribbon from the Dollar Tree. You could also use reindeer moss for this if you wanted to cover up the brim of the hat that's going to slightly overlap the nose of the gnome or the gonk. I just wrap it around to the back, hot gluing it, again using the masking tape trick that always works really well. And he's looking really cute. I'm going to make a quick little hanger on the back by tying some twine into a knot, attaching that to the felt on the back. Then I was trying to decide what exactly he needed to make him look even more like a carrot. And my son suggested that it needed lines, like a carrot full of lines. So I'm going to give it that look with a little bit of twine. I just started at the top and wrapped it around, giving it that lined carrot look. And it also added a lot more texture to the little gnome carrot hat. I'm just going to attach that to the back with hot glue as well. And I think this little carrot gnome is ready to go. It's nice and lightweight, makes a really fun wall hanging, and it's a fun take on a gnome. I think it's really clever and creative. If you'd like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!